Alright guys, so today we are unboxing the Oculus Rift. Pretty much a VR headset. It's a VR headset. There's not much I can do or say about it right now, but it is going to be what I'm going to be using to play Beat Saber. If you guys don't know, Beat Saber is a rhythm game with lightsabers and you chop the blocks to the beat. I thought it was going to be cool to play, so I went out and bought myself a VR headset. Now this retails for about $300 or so. They have an HTC Hive, which is probably double that, which is like $600. And they also have an Oculus Quest, which is more for everything. All the software is kind of in that headset. You don't need to go out and buy a PC, but this one is for the PC. Yeah, so I suggest if you have a PC and you want to go and get a VR headset and an affordable headset, this is the one for you. So I'm going to just go ahead and start unboxing it, and we're going to see what comes in the box. So, info cover, put that off to the side here. Alright, so right now it is just a black box. It has the Oculus logo right there, kind of like almost like a glossy on this matte finish box here. Okay. So it opens up like this. I see. So we gotta open this up like this. Okay. Cool. So if you guys want to see what's inside what the inside box looks like, here you are. There's everything. Your controllers and your headset. Pretty self-explanatory, not much to go over, but we'll just take everything out piece by piece, and then we'll talk about the quality and if it's something that you might want to be buying. So first, let's go dive into the smaller parts of the set, are the controllers. Now, I believe this is my first VR headset, so I believe both controllers, like so, they have two buttons right here. They have two base buttons, two analogs on each one. This looks like there's like a button right below. It looks like almost like an options button. Yeah, and then obviously your straps to make sure you don't fling it across the room when you're using it. But so far, pretty cool. Can't wait to use it. There we go. Let's go into this little box that was in there. I believe this is all the cords and whatnot. Cool. It comes with Mitsubishi batteries, so it comes batteries included if anybody was wondering. Let's see. Batteries might go in the controllers themselves. I'm not too sure. Okay, so this looks like user guide, pretty much how to set up your Oculus. This may look like the display port or some kind of adapter. Your safety manual. I think that is it, besides just the batteries. Okay, so that was it in this little box here. I'll have to go a little more into it to see what all this stuff means, but in the meantime, we'll just put everything back. Now we're gonna get into the actual headset here. So far, looks like a pretty sizable headset. Put these controllers off to the side. So here's the headset in full display. So as you can see, I don't want to. Let's take this little strap piece off. So looks like this is your cord or your USB, I believe. ports. This is the USB and also display port. So all that's come attached. Now this is the Rift set itself. It comes with, see, it has two little liquid cleaners on it, on the inside of the lenses. You guys can't really see it, but maybe I'll do a close-up on that. But yeah, so that's pretty much the Rift itself. Let's go ahead and take these little plastic things on the lenses. Perfect. Cool. Now I'm gonna try and put this over my head just to see, get a feel for how it feels. Glasses off here. It's like this. So there's a little knob up here for adjusting it to make it go wider or lower. This over here. And then you just tighten this button down. And so far, I mean, besides the cord, it's pretty comfortable. That's good. And then if you want to just take it off, you just twist the thing, and it just comes right off. I'm supposed to take these things off. Or these things are. Cool. Oh, yeah, now it's even easier to adjust it. Cool. And then obviously it has a little strap up here to adjust for your noggin. Yeah, perfect. Cool. So I can't wait to use this thing. I'm probably going to be doing streaming, or what do you call it? Streaming on my Twitch some Beat Saber, because I really want to try it with Beat Saber. That's the number one reason I got this headset for, because I want to do the whole. But just to check out the quality. But so far, yeah, this is the unboxing for the Oculus Rift. Let me know if you guys want to get one down below. I'll have a link for you guys to buy it. I got mine from Best Buy, and they do great financing plans if you guys want to get your own. So yeah, thanks for the unboxing, guys. Until next time.